Hello guys, good morning. As you can see, we are now here in my little garden to harvest some veggies, especially the our green chili because it's time to ready to harvest na. So let's join me guys to harvest my green chili here in my garden. So this is not too much because there are one, two, three, four, five plants only. So, and then yung bunga is hindi masyadong madami. So, tamang-tama lang yung aking ma-harvest ngayon. Pang ano lang to, pang daily needs. So, and then, kaya ko to i-harvest guys because I want to make a dynamite. So, if you are familiar a dynamite, you know now what I'm saying. If you don't if you're not familiar, this is dynamite is like a lumpiang Shanghai, but inside is a green chili. So then put a roll a lumpia wrapper. So then put inside chili and mm, yung giniling na manok or baboy, any meat pwede. So let's go guys. Let's harvest. This area is only three. Tatlo lang yung ano, ay apat. Because the others is only smaller pa, not ready to harvest pa siya guys. So I harvested this area 4 pieces. 4 pieces of green chili. So let's proceed this. This green chili guys is very organic because I'm not putting any kind of fertilizer. It's only ano lang kung bisag only in the soil. So it is very organic. So let's proceed. The other one guys is too smaller pa, so hindi ko na I do not get harvest because it's not ready yet. This area guys is there's more green chili. Marami siyang bunga dito guys. So the other is small pa, so I don't get it because lalaki pa yan. I'll make other video guys to make a dynamite, what I'm saying before. So if you don't familiar what I'm saying, please watch my vlog tomorrow. And this is all I harvested guys. So, you know, you don't get ano na, hindi mo na kailangan. You do not need buy in the market. So if you have a plant in your house, in your areas, so ready. Mag-harvest din ako ng sigarilyas because there is ano na, meron nang ready na i-harvest. So baka naman ano to maguwang. Okay, let's harvest sigarilyas. This is ready now. Diba sila pug muguwang, abtan na pud kaguwang. So sayang siya guys. So kailangan jud we need to harvest every other day guys. Unsa na na? Oh kani oh. This one is malapit nang maanong guwang. So it's enough na guys because this is too much. And then I will cook it later or maybe tomorrow. Then I wanna flex you my this is a pepper. I don't know what happened to this. Why it's not bigger or stronger. This is only one. You see guys. But there is there is a bunga and more flowers. So not bad na siya guys kahit hindi tumubo kasi namumunga naman. Maybe the soil. Wala siyang ayon sa soil guys, maybe. Kaya hindi tumubo. Not stronger or not bigger. And this are the other one. And this is my tomato plant. So I don't know if what happened to this, why there's not a tomato. Ganyan na siya kalaki guys. Pero but we don't have a fruit anymore. Comment down guys if what I'm doing to this para siya bumunga din. Then I have a new plant tomato there over there. So give me an advice guys what I'm doing to this para siya bumunga. And this is a okra. Who want to know how to ano to? How to care to para bumunga siya guys. Kasi second time ko na to. It's my second time to plant a tomato. But the first I try is not there's no there's no result. There's no result. But the other is die. So this is my second one. I tried to plant tomato. Also this is I think this is a spinach. This area is a water spinach. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell para you always updated my videos. Thank you, guys. God bless everyone.